Hello everyone, this is the Dow Jones Transportation SMF MMTs, and this is the bottom of this rally over here. So basically, let's take a look at what we've always been looking at. And on this weekly handle, we want to make sure that we're focusing on today's, this week is red. It's not green. It's red. And as I said on the transports, on our other previous video analysis, is that during the rally that we were going to run into some problems here at this triple top. Yes, we did break above it. So what? It's half of that downtrend bar that occurred over here, folks. Okay, and that was on 425 when we called the last top. Go look on stock market funding. What MMTs have been learning here today, folks, is the same kind of thing that sets up like this with a follow-through. And basically, that's that half a bar resistance. But if I pull this one down right here, right now, to this current weekly bar, which was on 919, is that if I break below half of that bar, that's when we would start to see a much greater pullback. I also talked about the fact that we were 84.03% overbought. So investors that are holding portfolios, if you haven't been selling into these rallies up here at the tops, you better think about it. We've always warned people, even before this top happened. And what MMTs learned is how they were sliding that bid 4 days in a row. They're learning that we're going into a forward-looking earnings season starting October 5th week of 2010. We have had a great September rally that hasn't happened. You have to go back 60 years to get a September move like that, so let's keep that in reality. The other thing about the Dow Transports is they kind of start leading some of the marketplace down, and I will show you that. And just remember, all of our SMF street traders worldwide, you don't have to be a citizen. All non-U.S. citizens are very important to us. You deserve to be part of this as well. And what we do works. SMF Street, that door is open to you. And you even get a free 5-day trial. And you can even trade our capital as we teach you. There's lots of things we have behind you. So basically, one of the things about the transports is that looking at market tops is that we always look at where the transport is, what the broader selling is. We also remember what FedEx had to say. That's this one here when it reported its earnings a week or two ago, and they gapped way down, and then they bounced off the bottom. But as far as looking at some major indexes, we want to be aware that we had a breakout rally. We've had a breakout rally. But look at the long neck downward weekly rally to here. If you take a look at the distance here, and you take a look at the double right, first and second, that comes right up here about to these tops. The key is in the transports, if we break below half of that bar, we'll see a lot more selling. And I always said in other videos, you can find them on the site, I talked about the 20-week going down in price. Well, it's starting to flatten out and get above here. So we're going to measure these tops. Does that become new support or not? Does it break half of the weekly SMF bar? Then we start the move down. Okay? If we hold and build a consolidation in the transports, then that would be bullish. If we break below half of here and we continue selling, that would be bearish. That means that the transports have had a very good rally off of here. And you can see right here that it's just a distribution day. It's some profit taking. We don't want to read any more into it other than we were due for it. And we said that we were. And this is the key bar.